Computational Thinking courses at codescamp.in. Before we explore what are the courses available under this category at Codescamp, let's first understand what computational thinking is all about. Computational thinking is a problem-solving approach that involves thinking like a computer scientist. It encompasses a set of skills and strategies used to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts and develop algorithms, step-by-step instructions, to solve them. Computational thinking is not limited to computer science, it is a mindset that can be applied to various fields and everyday life. At its core, computational thinking involves four key components. Decomposition, breaking down a complex problem into smaller, more manageable tasks or subproblems. This allows you to focus on individual components and their interactions. Pattern recognition, identifying patterns, trends, or similarities within the problem or data. Recognizing patterns helps in creating generalizations and developing reusable solutions. Abstraction, simplifying a problem or system by removing unnecessary details and focusing on the essential elements. Abstraction allows you to create models or representations that capture the key aspects of the problem without getting overwhelmed by the complexity. Algorithm design, developing step-by-step instructions or algorithms to solve a problem or accomplish a task. Algorithms outline the logical sequence of operations required to achieve the desired outcome. By applying these computational thinking skills, individuals can approach problem solving in a systematic and logical manner, irrespective of the domain. It encourages analytical thinking, creativity, and the ability to develop efficient and effective solutions. Computational thinking plays a crucial role in computer science, programming, data analysis, and other disciplines where problem solving and logical reasoning are essential. Computational thinking courses that we offer at codescamp.in are: Computer Science for Kids, Fundamentals of Computer Applications, and Computational Thinking and Programming. We believe that computational thinking offers several benefits to kids and students learning computer science. Here are some ways it can help them. Problem-solving skills. Computational thinking provides a structured approach to problem solving. By breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts, students can develop effective problem-solving strategies. They learn to analyze problems, identify patterns, and design algorithms to solve them, which are valuable skills in computer science and beyond. Logical reasoning. Computational thinking promotes logical reasoning abilities. Students learn to think step by step and follow logical sequences to solve problems. They develop the capacity to understand cause and effect relationships, make connections, and evaluate the effectiveness of different solutions. Algorithmic thinking. Students gain experience in designing algorithms, which are step-by-step instructions to solve problems. Algorithmic thinking enhances their ability to plan and organize tasks, understand the flow of operations, and develop efficient solutions. This skill is particularly important in programming and software development. Creativity and innovation. Computational thinking encourages creativity and innovation. It involves finding new and creative ways to approach problems, identifying patterns and connections that others may not notice, and designing novel solutions. By nurturing creativity, students can develop unique and imaginative approaches to problem solving. Transferable skills. Computational thinking skills are transferable beyond computer science. The ability to break down problems, analyze data, recognize patterns, and develop algorithms is applicable in various domains. Students can apply computational thinking to solve real-world problems in science, engineering, mathematics, and other disciplines. Collaboration and communication. Computational thinking often involves working collaboratively and communicating ideas effectively. Students learn to explain their thought processes, discuss solutions, and provide feedback. This fosters teamwork, effective communication skills, and the ability to work on complex problems in groups. Overall, computational thinking helps students develop a structured, analytical mindset that is essential for success in computer science and related fields. It equips them with problem-solving abilities, logical reasoning skills, and creativity, enabling them to tackle challenges in a systematic and efficient manner.